Tio si tio, baka si tio, lata pata kule cha jo si tio. Yomari jaku, okedone haku, biusa maku, mo biusa paku. Yomari Punhi bintuna.
Yomari Punhi is a Yomari festival marking the end of the rice harvest. It takes place in November/December during the full moon day of Tinla, the second month in the lunar Nepal era calendar. Yomari Punhi, meaning the full moon of Yomari, is one of the most popular Newar festivals and is observed every year during the full moon of December. A Yomari is a confection of rice flour, from the new harvest, dough shaped like fish and filled with brown cane sugar and sesame seeds, which is then steamed. This delicacy is the chief item on the menu during the post-harvest celebration of Yomari Punhi. On this full moon day, people of the Kathmandu Valley offer worship to Annapurna, the goddess of grains, for the rice harvest. Groups of kids go around neighborhood to beg Yomari, a Newari dish, from housewives in the evening. Sacred mask dances are performed in the villages of Hari Sidi and Neko at the southern end of the valley to mark the festival. In a Yomari, people keep chaku, a chocolate-like food, or kuwa, a ricotta cheese-like dairy product. It is very tasty. This is also one of the main festivals celebrated only in Newar community. On the day after Yomari Punhi, a day like Valentine's Day is observed. According to Basu Pasa's historical book Kantipur, among different shapes Yomari, Bayo symbolizes the male sexual organ, whereas the triangle shape with 2 points at the end known as Mayo Yomari suggests the female sexual organ and represents father and mother respectively. The Bayo Yomari is filled with molasses and sesame seeds while the Mayo Yomari is filled with pulses. So, Yomari is considered to be symbolic combination of sex. The culture of Yomari Fonegu relates with love and romance. People went homes to home, toles to ask Yomari, and at that time they got a chance to sneak peek and talk with their loved ones. In traditional days, society was restrictive with love. Yomari Punhi's Yomari Fonegu culture was utilized as a cruising day in those times, and lovers would secretly meet the other day. There were no mobiles, no phones. People would write in particular expressions. As the sun starts to get red, down from Buincha hiti falcha, behind the bamboo trees, I love Yomari and you.
Tio si tio, baka si tio, lata pata kule cha jo si tio. Yomari jaku, okedone haku, biusa maku, mo biusa paku. Yomari Punhi bintuna.